Weekend Gardener out here with a little quick video. This is my key lime pie tree. I guess it's key lime pie. Might just be key lime. But this is the first time it's fruited, flowered, and I'm checking to see if these limes, this looks good. This was the biggest one for a while. They say they grow to the size of 1 to 2 inches. That made the 2-inch mark. It's not going to get any bigger. Done. First lime off the tree. This tree I've had for about 3 years, going on 4. See a lot of buds. This is the most flowering and buds that I've ever had on here. Last count, probably about 20-25 fruits. These are coming up next. And this one right here. Stay tuned.